I'm here with my 2001 Ford Lightning, SVT Lightning F-150 pickup truck. This truck is amazing. Total custom show truck, airbrush American flag and turning into flame graphic. Look how gorgeous this truck is. Custom topper, brand new tires. Absolutely everything runs excellently on the truck. You can see there's two little holes there for the license plate bracket. It's not rust or anything. It's just kind of background from when the front license plate was there. Super, super clean. No accidents. We've got Masani custom stainless performance exhaust. Excellent tire tread. Just a super, super clean vehicle. Tow package. Sliding rear window. Let's go inside and go for a drive. I put the keys in the ignition. Starts right up. You can see we've got 65,000 miles. Navigation comes on. You can see how clean the vehicle is. Headliner's perfect. The radio, I've got this remote. The custom sound system, it's a $4,000 sound system with a Kenwood navigation, but let's see, let's go back to the radio. So the navigation, radio. You can watch TV, see if there's anything worth showing. It's wild how great and how smooth the system is. Alright, so again, we've got TV, video 1, video 2, Sirius satellite, USB, there's an iPad hookup, and you've got your navigation. Everything's touchscreen. And then if I go into reverse, watch this. This is so cool. Backup camera. I'm moving in reverse right now. How cool is that? Alright, so we're going to go into drive. And you're going to get to see just how amazing this sounds. There's a custom exhaust, an upgraded supercharger pulley, and some mild fuel tuning and chip programming. Wait till you see just how fast this truck is. It's unbelievable. Let me make sure the radio's turned all the way down. No check engine lights. I'm low on gas right now, so there's a low fuel light. But this is unreal. Alright, we've got a green light. The acceleration is insane. This was run on the track once, and it did an 1120. Coming to a red light right here. Brakes are excellent. As you can see, they don't squeal. That wasn't even full throttle. That supercharger whine is just crazy. Unreal. Super firm shifts, absolute perfect performance. This truck will put the biggest smile on your face you've ever had. Unreal. and it's so tight, it's so perfect. The alignment's super straight, perfect suspension, no complaints. It is amazing. Thanks for checking out the truck. Give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and we'll talk about it. Take care.